In order to access your CasaTunes using a web browser, you will first need to go into your browser and type the name of your Casa server /CasaTunes on a PC, or the name of your Casa server.local /CasaTunes on a Mac. This will take you to the View by Room page. On the top right side of every View by Room page, the current room and the source selected, in this example, Kitchen and Player 1, will be displayed. If there are any songs in the queue, the number of songs will be listed, and if a song is currently playing, the length of that song will also be listed. Under Room, you can select the room where you want to play music, and under Music Source, you can select any name from the list of players. To power the room on, click on the red icon next to Power. It will turn green. To power the room off again, click on the green icon, and it will turn red. The bar beneath the album cover can be used to adjust several different settings. You can play a song, stop a song, advance to the next song, go back to the previous song, repeat all your songs continuously, repeat all the songs in the queue once, shuffle the queue, mute, unmute, and use the volume slider to adjust the volume from 0 to 100. The Ipod Eject button will become active when you have an iPod plugged into your CasaTunes server. You can simply use it as an alternative to going into iTunes to safely eject your iPod from the server. The sleep and wake buttons allow you to set a time of day when you want your music to turn on or off. For example, click Wake and then New Event. From here, you can set which days of the week you want your music to wake you up. Click Next, and then select what time on those days you want to wake up and what time you want the music to turn off. You can also set a starting volume and an end volume so that the music will gradually get louder rather than starting at a loud volume. Similarly, if you create a sleep event, you can set the music to gradually get quieter before the end time. Click Next and select a source and a playlist, then click Apply. The event will appear in your wake-up schedule. To delete an event, click the red X, and to return to the View by Room page, just click on the X in the top right corner. You can search for music using the search bar above the album cover. For example, type The Beatles and hit the Enter key. If there are any results, they will be displayed on a new page, and you can select songs from the list to begin playing them. To see a list of all your zones, go back to the View by Room page and click on the All Zones button. On the top right side, the total number of rooms and the number of rooms currently powered on will be displayed. From this page, several different settings for individual rooms or room groups can be adjusted. If the power button next to a room is red, it is powered off, and if it is green, it is powered on. If the volume icon is red, the room is muted, and if it is green, it is unmuted. The volume slider can also be used to adjust the volume level from 0 to 100 in a room. Under Source, you can select any name from the list of players and also different players for different rooms. Clicking the magnifying glass icon next to the room will return you to the View by Room page for that specific room.